Hello, my name is Emma. Today, I am going to New York.
Excuse me.
Maya.
Who? I would like to check in, please. This is my bag. It is not too heavy.
Here is my passport. And here is my boarding pass.
Please put your bag on the tray.
Thank you. Now I am at the gate. My flight is soon. I am walking to the plane. Whew, whew. I am so excited. Where is my seat? I am looking for seat 23A. I put my bag in the overhead compartment. Always fasten your seatbelt. It is very important. Welcome. It's Hauskan on board. We are happy to have you with us today. Look, we are above the clouds. It is so beautiful. On the plane, we have bread, salad, and coffee. It looks delicious. On the plane, we have bread, salad, and coffee. It looks delicious. The flight is long. Oh my, I can see New York. It is amazing. I am now at JFK Airport. JFK is the main airport in New York. Here is my passport. I am visiting New York for 1 week. I can see my suitcase. It is the red one. I found it. I am in New York. I am so happy to be here. Excuse me. Can I have a taxi, please? I need to go to my hotel. Hello. Please take me to the Park Hotel on 5th Avenue. New York is very big. There are so many. Look at the Brooklyn Bridge. It is very old and very beautiful. A map on my phone. My hotel is not far. Here is my hotel.
It looks...
Very nice. I am happy. Hello. I have a reservation. My name is Emma. Here is my passport. And here is my credit card. My room is on the 5th floor. I am going to find it now. I use my key card to open the door. Welcome to my room. Wow. I can see New York City from my window. It is incredible. This is Times Square. It is very famous. Many people come here. From up here, I can see the whole city. New York is so big. Central Park is very big. It is. Inside New York City. I love it here. I am eating a hot dog in Central Park. There is a squirrel next to me. I need a coffee. Let me find a good cafe. This one looks nice. Can I have a large latte, please? And a chocolate muffin. Thank you so much. This coffee smells amazing. It is raining outside, but inside, it is.
I am walking across the Brooklyn Bridge. The view is beautiful. This is the Statue of Liberty. It is a symbol of freedom. The Statue of Liberty is very tall. It is 93 meters high.
For dinner, I am eating pasta. It is very delicious. I love New York food.
I am buying a souvenir. This is for my family at home. The subway is very fast. I use it to travel around the city. Look at New York City at night. It is so bright and so beautiful. I am taking a photo. I want to remember this trip forever. Back to the airport. I will miss New York. New York was amazing. I saw so many wonderful things. Goodbye, New York. Thank you for the best trip of my life.